Sometimes it's easy to sort of double down on simply building more features. But what I see from really great engineering companies is that they have some time allocation to be able to experiment. Now, it's quite important with that experimentation time that it's channeled in some useful direction. So it's not just like, I'm a programmer and I just want to play with something else, is that there needs to be some value or reason. Some companies do this differently. So some companies do things like hack days, where everyone's invited to maybe work on their own personal idea, but to demonstrate what that means with some product or some productivity improvement. Google used to have their idea of what is called 20% time. Most companies don't have 20% time, but you can still think about ways you can slice that in. Part of that will depend on how much sort of capacity that your team can take on. If you can't do something like 20% time, one thing that if you're doing, say, agile software development, is what is called the gold card. So you might play a gold card once every iteration or sprint. And whoever plays that card is effectively that time to sort of experiment and explore. The other thing that I would encourage all of you as professionals to do is it's in your interest to also invest in yourself. And so as software developers, you won't know everything, is that you'll be investing in yourself and experimenting as you just try to solve business problems as well. And a good way as you're learning and solving those problems is also share that with your team and your organization.